Hello, guys. Today what we have done is a complete end-to-end marketing can campaigning engine. Initially, we have created a list of seven predefined models. Let's say I create something like a fashion brand, right? So I have this Adidas loaded. I'll set up Nike for you. Nike, my main campaign goal is for sales. Let's see about Nike. Let's put in shit from Google itself. We'll put in this data for the LLM to understand what exactly is Nike. uh, we'll ask it to make a no LinkedIn ads for Nike, obviously, a poster, Insta ad, a Facebook ad. Let's keep the banner size 16 to 9. Auto select for the fonts, whichever suits the best for Nike's modern day competitor. We'll ask it to automatically generate fonts for Nike. Website URL. Um, that's it. If I want to add an image, I can add it of a shoe, maybe Nike shoes. Let's say I choose some funky shoes, right? Yeah, these ones. These are custom shoes. So I drop it directly over here in my pipeline and I click on generate campaign. We have created a list of nine major agents that run a cron operation whenever this is entered. After this, the critic agent goes back to the initial, uh, decides automatically which was the point where it needed to be, where it needs to be run again, and automatically decides which of these nodes have to be executed. Based on that, it decides if the strategy was to be rectified or the content or the creative agent. You can see all the logs for each and every node over here in the log inspector. We have taken this JSON input and converted into a readable format. You can see the agent path, what is being done, what is being currently run in and out operations totally. Let this pipeline run for a while. In the meanwhile, I would like to show you our architecture that we have set up. The React Command Center, you have used Fast API land graph to connect all of these states, make them async. SQLite database connected to Torso DB. And after that, this is the overall orchestration that we have done for the agents. The score is generated, it goes back to the content and creative agent, and it's a complete fallback loop. So I could not generate that in the MD, but it's a complete fallback that occurs. This is the database. Let's check if this has been generated. It's currently working on the strategy agent. Again, we have used Grok APIs, we have used Gemini 3.0, and this strategy agent does the competitor analysis for us. So if I can show you over here, right, this the competitors does the takes in the complete brand DNA, runs a competitor analysis using um, Tavily APIs, Firecrawl API, scrapes the web and your location coordinates to see businesses around you are doing the same. Let me run this for a while. It's being run currently for two different places, Mumbai on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi and London on the occasion of Notting Hill Carnival. These are the two main strategy agents done earlier. Uh, it's generating rate. Image generation is it takes a while. Mainly that is what takes. I'll show you the playground in the meanwhile. Let's say I want to write something, I want to create an Instagram post, right? I delete all these useless nodes. I take my Instagram node connected to the output. I am doing it for Nike, right? So I'll just type in Nike new shoes, red and blue, only color in the market. So these are preset agents that we have defined using LangGraph. And what they do is they run the agent and some using everything that we have done generate this Instagram caption that I can directly copy and paste it into Instagram. Similarly, we have created a LinkedIn post generator and even an email drafter and image prompter in case I want to create an image, right? So I can't just directly go and put in the image. So I have to put in my image generator, connect it in this manner, and that's how I use Sky, right? It runs a, let's say I want to call in the market for Maharashtra only, and I run the flow. It will eventually generate an image. So the Nike was generated. It took into inspiration and generated these posters, two posters, the ones you can see. All of this have been created respective to the Facebook ad, Instagram ad, and these taglines have also been created that I can directly copy and paste. An SEO graph is connected based on the search engine optimization that we have done without using any APIs. So we use Firecrawl and API to only check what is happening. We do not use it as a main source of our Firecrawl. You can also send an email using this same. The email should be sent. I can go directly, this is my complete brand identity, right? I can change the fonts and everything and it would be displayed automatically. I can also go into my image gallery where I can see what all had been generated. So let's say if I wanted to check even more posters, right? If I want to generate them using Gemini, I can directly go in, it will have my entire brand identity, and it would load in even more posters, generate even more posters. This is the one work that it did right now. So this is the entire thing, and this is the image playground image that it had generated. As you can see,